In here will be a sped up video of how I painted the mangrove scene, absent the kayakers. Community art activities is so much fun, and that's what Paint Week is all about for me. A lot of friends there on Facebook kinda liked how I did the water transparency effect, so I'll be doing another video for that. Alrighty then, let's go! These are the colors I used to pre-mix the colors of the scene. I started with the dominant color, the greenish yellow in the middle there, mixing all the other colors with it as a base. This is so my colors are unified and harmonious. You know how it is. Acrylic shifts when it dries, so pre-mixing is vital for me, at least for the important colors in the scene. These are the colors I see for now. Some are tinting and shading colors though. Used to adjust things while painting. Alright. This painting brings back a lot of memories for me. Okay, so do you have any artwork or painting, something that has been stuck in your mind for all these years? I remember two particular paintings in my childhood years. One is in the hospital and the other is in our house. There's this huge painting, like a plywood size painting of a mountainscape. It's a simple painting, nothing special to it. But what I remember about it is these impasto passages. Impasto in the leaves, impasto in the human figures. As a kid, I used to touch these impastos and wonder how the painter did it. And the painter is my uncle, by the way. I think it was a gift from my uncle to my dad. And then there's this other one in the hospital where my aunt works. I'm not sure if it was in watercolor, but I'm sure it was an impressionist-esque painting of a seascape. And there were these traditional Filipino boats, fishing boats, and there's this fisherman throwing nets. And it was so amazing for me that I keep coming back to that doctor's lounge and just stare at it for hours. How about you? Do you have anything like that? I guess these things shape the way we paint today, because I really never thought about those paintings for a while now, for how many years, until I did this painting. And after I'm done painting it, there was like this catharsis. It was like, finally I'm free. I've been able to do what I always wanted to do. It was great. Well, that's me. That's my story. How about you? Do you have anything like that? Do you have any, I don't think we can call that inspiration, but it's like something that's been imprinted in our minds. I'm sure you have one, and I'm very interested to learn what this painting is. And knowing about the journeys of fellow artists out there, it's so enlightening, comforting. You found this group of people who share the same passion and have the same history in some way or another. Anyway, if not, then it's okay. It's okay too. Maybe you'll find yours someday, and it's going to be awesome. Some point something will catch our mind, and at that point that's going to become like a inner obsession, like something that drives you forward as an artist. And I think it also becomes part of you, becomes part of your way of depicting something. So anyway, I'm not gonna chat for too long so you can focus on watching the video. So I'll be gone, and maybe I'll see you next time in the next video. So thanks again, and have fun.